Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and install your new 4K second generation Apple TV. As always, there's a link in the description to the full playlist of Apple TV videos, so if you're looking to learn more, check it out. Let's get started. Now before we begin, we want to make sure that you have everything prepared so that the installation goes smoothly. So inside the Apple TV box, you should have received a power cable, an Apple TV unit, a Siri remote, and a charging cable. So make sure all of those things are easy accessible and you have them ready to go. Unfortunately, Apple didn't provide you with an HDMI cable, but you can use any HDMI cable you have at home. And if you don't have one, I've placed a link in the description to some very cheap, good quality options that you can pick up for yourself. Once you have everything set up, make sure that your monitor or TV has an HDMI port. Most do these days, and it doesn't matter if it's a 2.1 port or a regular port, it'll work just fine with the Apple TV. So to start, plug the power cable to the back of the Apple TV, like so, and plug the other end to the wall outlet. Next, plug your HDMI cable to the back of your Apple TV, and the other end to your TV or monitor. Now at this point, you're all set up. All you have to do is take your Apple TV Siri remote, press the power button, and it should turn on the Apple TV. You'll see a little white light on the Apple TV itself, and you're ready to begin, and you can set up your Apple TV. Now it's pretty simple. You're just going to follow the on-screen instructions. Right now it's in another language, but you can press the button in the middle here, and it's going to allow you to choose what language. We're going to select English. I'm going to choose where I'm from. And the middle area here is actually a swipe, so if you don't want to use the tactical, you can just swipe in the middle. Okay, we'll tap continue, or press continue in the middle. We can set this up with our phone or set it up manually. For ease of use, if you have an iPhone, setting it up with your iPhone is going to be easier, but we'll just go through the manual setup here. And you can choose to use Siri or not. Siri is always good, and you have your button on the right side to use. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to say not now. I don't want to share the recordings, but that's a personal preference that you may want to use. You're going to locate your Wi-Fi on the screen here, connect to it. So just select and connect to it. Now at this point, you want to make sure you don't unplug anything. It may take a little bit of time to activate depending on your internet connection, but once it's done, you'll be brought to this screen here where you can connect your Apple ID. I'm going to skip it for now, but you'll just put in your Apple ID and password. And you can connect your TV provider here if you have one. I'm going to do this later as well, as I don't have one. You choose where this is, so if you have a game room, we'll choose that. If you want to enable location services, you can, or you can just have them disabled and enable them later in settings. All of this stuff can be modified later as well. So just type in the city closest to you to enter in your time zone. And with these aerial screensavers, very similar to the previous generation Apple TV, you can have them automatically download, so you always have new ones coming in. You can see at the bottom here, it does tell you how much space it's going to take. The first download is about 800 megabytes. I'm going to just leave it for now, and we can always enable that later. Analytics, I don't send them to Apple. You can choose to do so if you'd like. Terms and conditions here, you want to read through them and agree. You can do that by going to apple.com and then going to settings, system, legal, all that once you're signed in. But we'll just accept them for now. And you're all set up and connected to your Apple TV, and you can start using it to watch your favorite shows and play games. So that is it. If you guys have any questions regarding the setup and installation of your new 4K Apple TV, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out. Also, for more great videos like this one, there's a link in the description to the full Apple TV playlist to show you how to use your new Apple TV with tips, tricks, and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos, and that way you never miss an Apple TV video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.